And for those who are turning in, the Cubs just won 8-6. Whew, that was close at the end. All right, let's get to work now. The night is good. Go, Cubs, go. Yeah, sorry. All right, so we're going to do a circle first, the radius kind. 1.25. Go do that, and then just come back to me. You good? All right. Okay, next we're going to do the polygon. P-O-L. Okay, number of sides, 6. We're going to click the middle of the circle. The reason why we did the circle first, because it will define the center and make life easy for you. Circumscribed. Remember, I want the one across the flats. Okay? Now, I am going to do, as you see, my diameter right here was 0.75. Half of 1.5. Half 1.5, of course, is 0.75. There we go. Don't do anything else to it yet. We're going to finish it up later. All right, next I got to get these points over here plotted out. So the best way to do this is I'm going to draw a line that is 3 inches long, another one that is 5 inches long, since I know that these are both on the same point. So I got 3, I got 5, which of course 3 plus 5 is 8. So I want you to do that real quick. Okay, next step, draw my circles. Circle, I'm going to click here, type 0.5. Do it again. Type 1. So if you got that done, you are sitting pretty so far. All right, I'm going to go over here to this other point. You're going to look for the little square, because that means it's an endpoint. This one is also 0.5 too. Not 0.52, but 0.5 as well. I should probably make that clear. Okay, I'm going to draw a line from here to here, so I can get that area done, and from here to here. Okay, here's the tricky part. So once you get that done real quick, and just take a moment, that way you know you're good to go. I usually trim at the very end, so I'm not the type to trim as I go. I usually trim at the very end. If you want to trim these out to where they look like these so far, go ahead. I'm going to wait a minute. All right, so I'm going to go line. I'm going to click this line here. I'm just going to draw it out right to here and stop. So do that first, and then just come back to me. It doesn't matter where you stop at, just don't go through it. Okay? All right. Next, I'm going to do another fillet. So type F, enter, and R, enter. Okay? It's trying to ask me for my fillet. Don't click until you type in this number. I'm going to go 0.5. Click here. Click here. Hang on. Fillet. Radius, enter. 0.5. Enter. Click here. There we go. Click there. And there's my fillet. Click here. Click here. Click here. I think I just did it out of order. So anyway, let me do that again. Fillet, enter. Radius, enter. You want to type in your arc, so it's 0.5. Click. Click. Press enter again, because I don't have to redo the command. Sorry, set. Click, click, and I'm done. All right, now let's do some trimming. Drive me nuts a little bit. Click, 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 and click. Delete this line. I'm done with it. Okay, how to finish this? This didn't take long at all. All right, so to finish this, I'm going to draw a line from this midpoint to right here. This midpoint right here. So do that real quick, and then just come back to me. All right, so next I have to extend this line out to here. Here's the best way to do this. Type TR and press enter twice. I've shown a few of you guys this. Now, if you press down and hold on the shift button, you'll notice this X is like an extend. This is trying to extend it out. I click and I click. Let go of shift, and look what happens. Trim did not stay down. I can now trim here and here, and I got my wrench. So cool, huh? So if you're ever looking to extend a line, you know that you can just press shift and it will try to extend it out. Okay, if you'll take a moment, freeze my screen, and if you'll dimension yours like mine, then you are done. All right, if you'll turn these in on Edmodo, I would appreciate it so I can just make sure that you guys got it. If you have any questions, please ask me. I have a packet of drawings for you guys to do next. Please do 10. Some are challenging, some are not. They're all worth the same grade. Try them out for practice. I have faith in you guys that you'll do just fine. All right? Thanks, guys. Bye.